Hello friends and followers. Well, the 6C4 tube came in. Little tube is right down there. Is that 6C4? What is that thing in there? V1. That's anyway the oscillator. 6C4. That's the oscillator for the VFO. So anyway, that thing came in. I popped it in there. And this thing is alive and running. I kind of figured it was working. But anyway, it didn't need much really. It needed this jumped out for the sensitivity. It needed this little switch fixed, and that was it. So it's a running. I'm on AM right now.
Maybe they just want to win by double digits, and Obama's just usually when they trot out Obama, this was true.
Chắc chắn anh Trạch Ngành Leo sẽ rất hài lòng với sự phục vụ của thần nay.com. Muốn biết thêm chi?
I think he's being killed in his city because he doesn't want in Chicago. Eran, en otras palabras, eran los sacerdotes.
Florida, host of Morning and Joy, where truth matters.
Lo que hizo.
Memorize the news, we go to bed.
Thành giáp tiếng Việt.
So thank you guys for being a part of that journey with us.
Años de experiencia ayudó.
Go to my PhD weight loss time.
Anyway, that's AM. It's working rather well. Here's the band switch. I'm not sure which way to rotate it to get higher band, but let's pop it. Boom, there we go. Here's the antenna trimmer right here. Trim that for noise. I think I might be in the highest band now. Let's see. Let's see what it would pick up now. If nothing, yeah, it's probably the highest band now. So we'll go back to AM this way, I think, and then go this way. I think that's going to be this band right here now, which is kind of dead probably right now. Let's see. Nothing there. Let's go one more band. Whoa, hit switch. Okay, that I think should be the 5.0 band. Let's go one more band. Just not sure where it is. The tuning in this thing is really touchy. All right, anyway, let's go up one. Not sure what that was. So I'm guessing I'm right here on this band. I'm guessing I'm there. That's WWV. So if I crank this all the way down, I should get to 10. But that thing is not calibrated right, so I'll never hit 10. I could hit 20 perhaps. Nope, I won't. Okay, so if I go down one more band here, let's see. I think it goes backwards. The tuning on the thing is really tight. It's almost impossible. Okay, nothing there.
Radio Martín transmite ahora mismo en onda. Chapter 32, verse 9. Listen to this verse.
It was their story. With word charts, we covered the case.
There's some sideband there. We would need to turn that to BFO. So this must be, I don't know, must be here. Where am I? Okay, we're probably on 20 meters, probably here. I'm guessing. So if I go down, I should hit FT8.
Not a single drop fell from the ceiling during the whole celebration.
No FT8. There it is. There's FT8. Anyway, this radio is I gotta take this apart because it's really hard to tune it. There's a lot of difficulty. I should try to get the BFO going. Okay, there's the BFO turned on. That makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? I think the BFO needs fixed. Well, anyway, it works. It needs some alignment now and some help, but it's basically alive now. It just needs refinement. Okay, well, that's the update on the HQ-150. It is working now. It just needs lots of alignment probably on the BFO. And the squeaky tuning. This is probably under a lot of tension, and I'll have to take off this wheel and see how this thing is inside. I'll probably end up taking it apart, which I don't want to do, but it's not usable the way it is. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.